Okay, you guys, I'm so glad to be back making YouTube videos. I haven't done this in like a hot second, and this is my favorite thing to like film and put together, truly. Right now, I'm going to my hair appointment, but first stop, Starbucks. I did not even realize that my friend Anna was going to be working, so I got to just catch her on her break and talk to her for a few minutes. She made my sandwich and my drink come out like so much faster. I don't know if that's like illegal for Starbucks, but it was so busy and I was like, I'm gonna be late, and she was like, girl, I got you. She like rushed my order, and now I literally have the exact time I need to get to my appointment. So just feeling hashtag blessed right now. Yeah. Doesn't it look long?
Yeah.
I'm proud. It's finally growing.
Play.
You guys missed it. It was off camera, but an eagle just landed in my hair and made a mess. It was
beautiful.
It was so bad and scary. It was so scary. I'm so sad I didn't get it on video. I barely had time to drink my matcha. I cannot have the camera on when I look like this. Love it. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, the lighting, sorry, is kind of buns, but like, I love it. Oh my gosh, she literally slays every single time. I always link her and tag her in my stuff. Seriously, if you can. She's always booked, but like, if you can get to Lisa, you won't regret it. Oh, every single time. I just leave feeling so like pretty and put together, and she's just such a good person, so you also feel like filled up internally. Now I don't really know what's on the agenda. I think go home. I might go see what Ian's up to. Oh my gosh, I don't even think you guys have seen the new puppy yet. That we might have to do. Later up, I'm gonna meet with Kylie and we're gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna not buy anything because it's my birthday week, so it's like I can't spend money, I understand. Plus I need to be better at that. Okay, small change of plans. Ian needs his prescription and it's not gonna be ready for 30 minutes, so we're going to hang out. So we're back at Starbucks. I have my computer, so I'm just gonna do some work in there while I wait for the prescription to be ready, and then I'm gonna bring that to him. Yeah, you're welcome. This day has genuinely took such a turn. Little Miss Minnie Mousy girl gets car sick and we're driving and she barfs all over me. And I'm like, oh, okay, let me try to catch it in my hand, you know, because duh, I don't want it all over my cloth seats. As soon as it plopped in my hand, whoop, me. What are we going to do with you? She does this every time. She's puked in my car at least 5 times now. Anyway, now I have to clean up puke all over my car. That's me. What did I get, girl? Some water. I know I want to open my package, but dog mom comes first. I got a package. I'm pretty sure this is a brand package. Someone sent me this. PR unboxing. Yay! It is what I thought it would be. I wish I could show what is in here right now, but I'm pretty sure I can't until I make another video. To the mom. We're both dressed in entirely like long sleeve and like long pants, and it's so hot. It's like 83 degrees. I mean, it was turning so cold, like it was finally feeling like fall, and then out of nowhere, boom, hot again. Oh, how did it stay? What if it falls down? The way that I can't even go in my stores that I want to because I'm returning stuff, not spending money, is so sad. We just saw the sweetest old guy walking by himself with like a walker. He could barely walk, and I literally have to like remind myself, like, okay, he got in the mall somehow, but like, why is he alone? He should not be alone. Like, stuff like that makes me so emotional. Are you crying? I'm about to. You see me? Hi, my babies. Hi. Funny favorite.